Want to build a business without holding any inventory? Imagine running a profitable online store from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a dropshipping business from scratch, and by the end, you'll have all the tools you need to get started today. Welcome to Mr. Wealth, where we turn your financial dreams into reality. So what exactly is dropshipping? It's a business model where you, the store owner, don't keep products in stock. Instead, you sell products directly from suppliers to customers without ever handling the items yourself. This means low startup costs and no need for a warehouse. Perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. The first crucial step in your dropshipping journey is choosing the right niche. This will determine your product selection and target audience. Here's how to find your perfect niche. Passion and interest. Choose something you love. It makes the work enjoyable and engaging. Market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and keyword planners to identify high-demand niches. Competition analysis. Check out your competitors. Look for a balance between high demand and manageable competition. Profit margins. Calculate potential profits. Aim for products with at least a 30% margin after all costs. Now let's talk suppliers. A reliable supplier is key to your success. Here are some top platforms to find trustworthy suppliers. AliExpress. Ideal for beginners with a vast range of products and easy integration with dropshipping tools. Salehoo. A comprehensive directory of verified suppliers. Oberlo. Seamlessly integrates with Shopify, making product import and order fulfillment simple. Spocket. Focuses on suppliers from the US and EU for faster shipping times. With your niche and suppliers ready, it's time to set up your online store. Follow these steps for a successful launch. Choose an e-commerce platform. Shopify is highly recommended for its user-friendliness and dropshipping integrations. Domain name. Select a memorable and brandable domain name. Store design. Use professional themes. Customize the look and feel to match your brand. Product listings. Import products, write detailed descriptions, use high-quality images, and set competitive prices. Payment gateway. Set up payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and credit card processing. Now, let's attract customers to your store. Effective marketing is essential for driving traffic and sales. Here are some powerful strategies. Social media marketing. Build a presence on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Share engaging content and run targeted ads. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to leverage their audience. Email. Marketing. Create an email list and send out newsletters with promotions and updates. SEO. Search engine optimization. Optimize your website and product pages to rank higher on search engines. Paid advertising. Invest in Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram ads for targeted traffic. Running a dropshipping business requires ongoing management. Here are some tips to keep everything running smoothly. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and resolve issues quickly. Order fulfillment. Ensure orders are processed and shipped on time. Use automation tools to streamline the process. Inventory management. Monitor stock levels with your suppliers to avoid selling out-of-stock items. Analytics and reporting. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your store's performance. Adjust your strategies based on data insights. And that's a wrap. You've now got a comprehensive guide to starting a dropshipping business from scratch. Remember, success takes time and persistence, so keep learning and adapting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Mr. Wealth, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.